The white is definitely not ready. This is a cool dry one. Quick dry tool, excuse me, sorry, I got distracted there for a minute. If you're a Perks member this month, if you order between July 1st and 7th, you get this little handy dandy thing for free. All right, we're gonna move on real quick. So now I'm gonna lay the Dear Santa Define on there because it's still sticky. It's gonna adhere onto the fabric, and then little mini squeegee. And pull the paste. You don't want to push really hard when it comes to the ink because you don't want it to spread out and splatter through. I'm gonna lay that back down, get a little bit more down at the very bottom. Get a little bit more time to work with ink as well. It doesn't dry nearly as fast as wood. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. It's the best part. What do you think? You like it? I could put the little Santa hat on, but I don't think that's necessary. So I'm undecided if I want to leave these as stockings or make them into stuffies. Do you know what a stuffy is? A stuffy is like a little mini pillow. Sorry for leaving you guys. I just wanted to get a mat here so I could clean this really quick. Clean up after myself. Since I'm not going to be using any more of the ink, I don't need to have them open. And for anybody that's interested or wants to know, I'll show you how to clean the transfers. Very easy. This is a board eraser. Water. You basically just spray the top. All you want to do to be able to reuse these silkscreen transfers is make sure that there's no ink or paste that dries within the silkscreen. So you take cool water and you clean the front and the back and make sure make sure all areas of the silkscreen are clean. And you can use over and over again. Ooh, sorry about that noise. Sometimes the pigment will stain the silkscreen, or pardon me, will stain the front, but it doesn't matter. As long as the silkscreen, which is this portion, stuff that you can see through, then you're all good. Where I laid that down, that's a little dirty too, so I want to make sure that that gets cleaned. Now that it's been clean and you can see there's nothing in it, you just basically put it back down on the backer sheet. Voila, it's good to go. Okay. Okay, we'll set that aside. Set this one aside, and we'll come back and when we're done, if we have time, then we will heat set it. If not, I'll heat set it later and we'll go on. So I think it's pretty cute too. All right, Lisa, since you're the only one interacting with me today, you want me to use Santa Stop Here? Any of these sentiments? And again, probably just use like the Merry Christmas here, or not the holiday, but get your jingle on. That'd be kind of cute, hang an embellishment on it, but have these little minis as well. I like this one. I think this one's pretty cute. On the cute list. Happy ho ho ho. These are kind of small though. I'm gonna use the Santa Stop Here at least on one of them. I kind of wish that the back had this color on it right here, because I'd like for them to hang, you know, different directions, but it's what you get when you, you know, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. That's what my 6-year-old granddaughter would tell me. So, forest or shimmer spruce? This forest looks good. I know I haven't used this in a hot second, so. You guys, what I just remembered. What do you think about this? This is Scout, June color of the month. I haven't even used it yet. It's a little bit brighter, but what do you think? I think I'm gonna use that for sure. For sure. Okay. I am gonna use the forest also, but I just remembered that we had this Scout and I wanna see what it looks like. Might be a little bit light, but it's okay. You like this sentiment, Lisa? Santa Stop Here? I think that's the one I'm gonna do on this one. I'm gonna do it all in the green. And again, we're on fabric, so we don't even have to fuzz the transfer. I think I will make this one into a stuffy. I think that'll be cute. So again, this is Scout. This was June's exclusive color of the month. So obviously it's no longer available, but I bet it's gonna look pretty. And it is a chalk paste, however, because this is gonna be more for decor purposes and not something that we're gonna wear. I'm not that concerned about it being paste because it's not gonna need to be washed. Lay that back down. Push that through just a little bit more. There we go. What do you think? I think it looks great. It is a little bit lighter, but it looks good. I think it looks really good. All right, we'll set that aside for a second and let that one dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean as I go today. Makes the most sense. The new transfers are a little bit thinner and they have yellow, like an off-white yellowish back. So then we know what side of the transfer.